Hello students, I am Avdesh Tiwari and I am going to teach you GK. Chapter 7th, International Airports in India. In previous class we have discussed about the hill station of India, and today we will discuss about the international airports in India. And here we have the list of some international airports, and in the right hand side we have the location of the international airports. We will match our airports with their location. Okay, so let us start. The first international airport. Our first international airport is Cochin International Airport. The first flight of Cochin International Airport came in 1999, and the location of Cochin International Airport is situated in Kochi, Kerala. So the correct answer of question number first is option B, Kochi, Kerala. So we will match Cochin International Airport with the Kochi, Kerala. It is only one airport all over the world which is produce the electricity as well, because it have a big solar plant in the area of airport, which is produce approx 400 kV electricity. Our next international airport is Calicut International Airport. It is also situated in Kerala state, and it is situated in Kozhikode, Kerala. So the correct answer of second airport is Kozhikode, Kerala. We will match Calicut International Airport with the Kozhikode, Kerala. It is a very famous international airport of South India and South Asia as well. Our next international airport is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. It is the second biggest international airport of India. According to a survey, approx 3 million people are travel from the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in a year. So it is the second biggest international airport of India. It is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So the correct answer of the third question is option A, Mumbai, Maharashtra. We will match Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport with option A, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Our next international airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. It is situated in Kolkata, West Bengal. So the correct answer of question 4 is West Bengal, Kolkata. Option C. We will match Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport with Kolkata, West Bengal. Option C. It is based on the latest technology. All the latest feature we have in this airport, for example, theater, shopping malls, ATM, underground parking, and many more features we have in this airport. Our last and very famous international airport of India is Indira Gandhi International Airport. It is the biggest airport of India. It is situated in the capital of India, that is New Delhi. According to a survey, approx 46 million people are travel from the Indira Gandhi International Airport in a year. So that's the description of the famous international airports in India. I hope you all understood very well about the international airports in India. In the next class, we will discuss about the famous monuments. Thank you.